Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think that this is very likely an ABC of 4, which will probably make 3 waves down before it actually goes back up again and makes a big wave 5. This is the monthly time frame, so that's obviously going to take a long time to play out. Going down to the weekly, I personally think on the weekly that this is the A. I think we're in a wave B. Now, the wave B could possibly be over. The problem is we don't have a break of structure on the daily or the weekly time frame, so this move down could be a cuts into this last move up, and it could make a higher low and keep going up. Going down to the daily time frame, now we definitely do have a impulsive down, corrective up, impulsive down. Now this could turn into a 1, 2, 3 stretch out and break structure, and if it does do that, that will confirm to me that it is the end of a wave B, and that would definitely keep me selling at the end of pullbacks from that point on. The thing is we have to realize that this could be an ABC, corrects into the last wave up, and it could bounce off a Fibonacci level and continue the uptrend. So the trend is definitely not proven to be over yet, the uptrend that is. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, so what I would have to see is I would have to see a Fibonacci bounce and then a nice engulfing move up with preferably a break of structure to prove that it's a wave C. If I do not see this picture right here, but instead, even if it does go up, as long as it makes a lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, then that could stretch out into a wave 3, which I think would prove that the wave B on the daily time frame is complete. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely suggest if you're a 1 hour time frame trader to be looking for shorts, unless we get that Fibonacci bounce and golf and move up with a break of structure. If you do see the break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then that definitely should turn you back into a buyer for the continuation of the uptrend at the end of pullbacks. If you don't see this picture, even if you see it going up, then you should be looking at every move to the upside as possibly a correction to the downtrend, and you should be looking for shorts at the end of these corrections, at least until the 4 hour time frame and up give you some sort of a break of structure to the upside, proving that it's a wave C and not a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.